Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we give you an exciting news about the ChatGPT. We are going to show you how we can get real-time results and the latest data from the ChatGPT. You could believe the level of interaction we're about to achieve with ChatGPT. So, let's start this video. Go to Google. Now, in the search bar, type WebChat Chrome extension and hit enter. The first result you see should be the WebChat Chrome extension. Click on Add to Chrome to install it. The extension is now installed. And you'll see this little ChatGPT icon right here on the top right of your browser. This extension enables ChatGPT to provide us with the latest results and current year data. We need to grant it internet access. In the extension panel, you'll see an option to allow internet access. Click on a web access to enable internet access. Don't worry, this is a secure connection that will only be used for fetching real-time data. Now that we have ChatGPT connected to the internet, let's ask it something exciting. Hey, ChatGPT, who is winner of Emerging Asia Cup in 2023? Now you can see the real-time data and updated data. By using this extension, ChatGPT provide us updated results. Because ChatGPT firstly search data from Google and then give us by using own algorithm. Thanks for watching this video. Bye-bye.